You can't buy transformation. You have to build a culture that demands it. Transformation dies when culture resists, but it thrives when culture becomes the engine. At Effective Agile, we coach leaders to create the conditions where intelligence adaptation is expected, not feared. This is culture as a capability, not just values on the wall. It starts with psychological safety, continues with evidence-based decision-making, and is reinforced by reward structures. When culture shifts, change stops feeling like disruption. It starts feeling like evolution. Want to lead culture from the inside out? My trainings equip product leaders. My coaching enables executive transformation.